Hey, what's up? It is me, Marius, also known as That Supercar Garage. We are going to be heading to Redmond to do the exotic car show today. But before that, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think of this, because this is basically like my first real video that I'm going to be doing. But yeah, I will see you there. Alright, so we just got here, and right in front of me is this. Gonna take some pictures of that, so I'm excited. But yeah. Actually, I think that's taxi. I'm not sure about his name. GT 500 KR. This is the Artera. That's a hybrid. No. Yeah. Alright, just got home. That was the show. Redmond Exotics. I will be going to the one next week, so there should be a video next week too. So I'm pretty hyped for that. I had a really fun day today. But make sure, if you want to see some of the edits I make for these cars, go follow my Instagram, like, gonna be like right here, so. It's that Supercar Garage if you want to check it out, same as my YouTube. But yeah, had a super fun day today, and still working on recording and stuff like that. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching all the way through. Hope you have an amazing day.